What is up, YouTube? First and foremost, before we get into the video, I want to thank you all for 100 subscribers. This shows me that 100 people, and not just my mom, love you mom, are watching these videos. I hope I'm providing some value with this edutainment kind of style that I'm aiming for. No flexing, just memes. There are still a lot of people who see my content and are not subscribed, and that is completely fine, but if you feel like I've earned your subscription, you know what to do. Now let's get into the video on this new indicator that we're working on. What is up, YouTube? It is me, your boy. We're back with another live trading video, but I'm most likely not trading live today, and let me show you why. Okay, on the ForexFundys side of things, this is available for all ForexFundys members currently right now, showing some US dollar strength. Now, US dollar strength has been flipping between risk on and risk off. It all depends on what's happening. You can check it out on Financialjuice. Any single time you see something about peace talks, you'll see a influx of sells. So at 810, for example, you'll see a massive influx of sells on the US dollar. We could check this out on the M5 right here. See? So this caused a massive outflow of the US dollar. But now, because markets are acting crazy in headline mode, I decided, why don't I make a headline indicator potentially? So this indicator over here behaves off of movements. What does this mean, George? We have so many different currencies that you could trade, and trading a US dollar one might be a little bit riskier at this time. My goal with this was to make a indicator which showed, okay, these currencies are the risky ones right now. So right now, macro driver is USD strength. USD headline mode is on. This is active for this pair. Volatility is above normal, so like, don't assume that price action is going to be clean at all. And if you've seen any of my previous shorts and stuff, the Canadian dollar is also affected with these kind of news events because of Canada's relationship with oil.
Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking?
Whenever you hear news about the Strait of Hormuz opening, that is bad for the Canadian dollar because that means oil is going to drop. But when you hear more stalls and peace talks, when you hear someone bomb someone, that is good for the Canadian dollar and the US dollar. So I also made this indicator kind of CAD heavy as well. You can see over here on this side of things that USD strength is showing on 4 out of 7. This is quantified by 20% moves off of the daily open. This is something that you guys can also adjust on your own if you are ForexFundys members and have this indicator on you. You could just mess around with the settings on here because maybe you might be a little bit of a scalper and you might want to move this a little bit more. And no, I did not take this trade. I was thinking about it, but I was like, I'm in NAS focus mode for now because of how crazy Forex has been moving for the last month and a half, which is why I've been working on building this, the Environmental Watchlist. So this could help you kind of navigate, okay, maybe I can start trading other currencies. What is the macro risk on this one? Okay, Euro CHF, for example. This is looking like a decent intraday long. Recent 1 hour shock, it's calm. Normal within the 4 hour context, around its average 4 hour range. It's not a crazy one right now. But there is always a little bit of a risk here of CHF safe haven inflows. Because CHF is a safe haven, it shows you a little bit of the risk, and then you could also quantify that with your ForexFundys charts. Euro showing some weakness, CHF is showing a little bit of strength, as you could kind of see within the chart here. Oh, this would have been lovely, damn. So I am still working on fixing any little quirks of this environmental watch list, and we'll keep you posted on how it works. So I just wanted to give you an update on what I've been working on because I really want to focus on adding value to all of those people who are in ForexFundys. One of the most important things I want to reiterate is the importance of having Financialjuice open. This last month and a half has been absolutely crazy with random wicks, peace talk wicks, ceasefire wicks, straight opening wicks, straight closing wicks, new countries being involved wicks. Financialjuice.com, absolutely free. And what is the best way to actually use this and trade risk on and risk off environments? Risk on, you sell the US dollar. Risk off, you buy it. And in its current market as well, risk on, you sell the Canadian dollar. Risk off, you buy it. Also note that the US dollar pairs are going to be more rampant than the Canadian pairs. So in a risk off environment, USD CAD is going to go up. In a risk on environment, USD CAD is going to go down. But these currencies remain the same with this logic. Basically, this is like a risk on, risk off indicator for the US dollar pairs. And then you can make your own decision on, okay, maybe I want to start trading a different currency. See this one here, Euro GBP has lower direct exposure. GBP has been a little bit stronger on the day, and it has lower direct exposure to USD CAD headline chaos. Still is moving a little bit, but it's moving less than this, right? Less than this, where you can see once again that risk is more elevated than usual. And like I said, even for CAD, look at CAD, high wick risk. Oh, I was just messing around right now, actually. This is why I have to work out some of the quirks before actually releasing this for ForexFundys members. But yeah, it's moving a little bit like crazy right now. And in the event that this confuses you and gives you analysis paralysis, bro, this is too much. All you have to do is simply just go over to the ForexFundys and Environmental Watchlist and either delete it or just hide it. So you're just looking at your ForexFundys macro indicator right there. If you've made it to the end, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.